Today I'm doing a light trim and fixing some scissor marks where the client cut the coat just a little unevenly. I'll show you how I smooth everything out and bring the groom back into balance.
For those who don't know me, I'm Elizabeth Jenn, professional dog groomer since 2010.
Little Mika here had a haircut at home, and Mom kind of chopped off a little bit of this bum here. You can see some scissor marks. I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix that, and I'm actually going to show you exactly how I'm going to do the rest of his body. So first we're going to need, let's see, I could show you different scissors that I can use. These, and hang on, how about these? So I've got some curves. We can try with the curves. I can show you with the thinners and with some straights. Now Mika, as you see, look at him. He's all over the place all the time. So he's a handful when it comes to grooming him. So I'm just going to show you here how I'm going to fix. I'm going to sit down. Hang on, Mika. All right. Oops. I'm going to grab a comb here. Okay. Little waggy tail. Constantly wagging his tail. Whoa. There. Okay, so he's constantly wagging that tail. And see how she came in and cut? You can see a line here, and there's a line there. So we're going to blend this, and we're going to shape this around like that. Okay? So what I like to do, we start in the back. I'm going to show everyone how I do this. We bring the tail to the side. We're going to bring everything to one side, the other side. Just, there's going to be a separation right in the middle, okay? So first what I want to do is I want to create a V here. So I'm going to come in and just snip that out. So I'm showing you how I do it with my straights. You can also do it with your curves. You can come in and just do it with your curves like this. And if you want, you can also use your thinners, which is what I'm going to use right now because I have the length that I want. So I'm just going to get rid of all of that here. There. Once I got rid of this here, now I'm going to separate the bum. One side, other side. And we're going to try to create a curve here. So this is where you can use your curves to do this part here. And you'll see, once you use the thinners, that's when you'll fix the little marks. You can always turn. See how I turned my scissors? Because the angle is this way. There's an angle like that. And you can also bring it in this direction, like round, to follow that bum. So we did one side. I'm not done, okay? But at least I've shaped it, okay? Try to do the same thing here. We're gonna just shape, going around. I'm just trying to make it a little bum here, Might be a little long. Take some of that out. And when you're shaping like this, it's not with one pass that you'll be done. You have to keep looking at it and comb and brush out and do it again and do it again. So I'm just going to come in and clean up the middle here because I don't want big fluff and then a hole. So I'm just going to kind of clear this up right here just so that there's a little angle. Okay. All right. There's more here. See how it's looking much better? We're not done. This is where you gotta work at it. I'm making a little separation. We'll shorten everything a little more. I'll shorten it with my curves like this. Now, one thing you do want to do is you're going to want to look at the dog's bum from the side also, like that. So let's work at this. Okay, look to the side. Hang on, honey. Other side. That tail's always wagging. Okay. That was not too bad. It's over here that. Okay, waggedy tail. So now that I cut most of what I want cut out, now that's when I'm going to come in with my thinners. Got my little thinners here. We'll try these. Now the thinners is just to make everything, you know, flow, make everything just that much smoother. And I gotta find the spots. Oh yeah, it was on this side, I think. There's a spot here. See that? This right here. There's a line there. I'll try to fix that. Get rid of this, because I want it to, you know, follow that leg. And now to blend this, I'm gonna want to blend, see how the cut's like this? I'm gonna want to blend this way. Okay. I'm just catching the edge of what was cut. Just catching the edge of it. See how much better that is? There. So that's pretty much fixed. We gotta fix his tail also. Hang on. Hang on. Fix his tail also. There's always something sticking out, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna do his tail, and then we're gonna fix this part here. See, it's just like a little box. I'm just gonna take a little off of his tail, just the edge like that, and you're gonna see right through. Can you see right through? Look at this. See, you can see right through that. That's where I did my last cut. So I usually always follow approx, you know, where I did my last cut. Yeah, turn around, honey. Turn around. And he's so funny. Whenever I give him like a bag of cookies or something, he grabs the bag and he just runs with it. There. Now that's all nice and clean. Okay? It's a nice clean bum. Now we gotta fix this here. Look at how square that is. Comes and it just drops off. Well, I'm just gonna come in and give this an angle by angling my thinners lightly. We're just doing the edge here. I don't really take much off. All I do is take off the tip, the edge of the hair just lightly. There's not much coming off. Same thing here. I'm just cleaning up all of the edges just so that when I look at him that he doesn't look fuzzy. He just looks put together, right? And all you need to do is use your thinners like this for that. You look underneath. See how clean that looks now? A lot cleaner. Now I'm gonna do his front arm here, front leg, that little waggy tail. I'm gonna just snip some of it off first, and then I'll clean it up afterwards with I'll kind of blend it. Hang on, I gotta do your fluff toes too. See those toesies? See what I just did? Fluff everything upwards. Wait, I forgot to do this part here. I just wanna clean this up. There, that's all, okay? I'm gonna do the same thing here. Little fluff toes. Fluff toes. Okay, look at him. He's just all over the place. He just loves to be all over the place. Okay, so that's one side done. I'm gonna do the other side and I'll finish the front afterwards. I'm gonna clean this up. Forgot to do this a while ago. It's just a straight line. I'm gonna clean this up over here using my thinners. It's only a few hairs here and there. She doesn't even want me to touch his ears, so he gets to keep those little straggly ears. You get to keep your scraggly ears. He's wagging his tail. Huh, Mika? So I guess I'm gonna have to do this side, right? Because I did this side. Maybe clear this up like this. Notice how I hold my scissors in an angle. I don't want to be holding flat on the back because if I do that, I could pinch his hair and then catch that. I'm just taking a little bit off just to thin it out so that he doesn't have this poof coming up. See what I mean? So now it just kind of lays there instead. It just looks a little better. All right, so all of this here, just the edges. That's all I'm doing, taking off the edge, the tip, make it look cleaner. Same thing for the bottom here. He's not a very long groom, guys. Watch it here, the pee-pee area. We're gonna watch your pee-pee area. I upload new videos every Monday and Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Feel free to become a member and watch my full grooms. So here's the up next video, guys. You can watch now. Till then, bye.